All right. Oh my gosh, I'm out of the house. Hey, Mike Foster here. I know you love the Mike Easter Streets, and even if you don't, I don't care because I'm gonna make it anyway because I'm hungry. And this is another episode of Mike Easter Street. We're going to, of all places, Arby's. I'm not kidding. Check it out. All right, we're coming up on the Arby's, coming in through this mall. Now we're covered in COVID, and it's a plague, and there's still people for some reason in a mall. When someone can explain that to me, I'll give you $1,000. But we're going into this Arby's, and where's the drive-through? Over here. Okay. Look I take a picture of the sign, but there's not one. This might not be an Arby's. This might be a Smarby's.
Might be a pop-up.
There's my wife again talking. She wants to be on the video today very much. Okay, there's the Arby's. I'm gonna do a close-up of them. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. You know what you want, young lady?
Arby's, where we are featuring our sweet potato waffle fries. Try some today.
Are you a human being or a recording?
That was a recording.
Oh, okay.
Get ready.
I got a little scared for a second. Let me get a beef and cheddar. That's your classic, right? Beef and cheddar.
The classic?
You know, the beef and cheddar. Let me get that. We're going to get some waffle fries.
Okay, on the beef and cheddar, do you want just one or do you want to do the 2 for $6?
Do you want one?
That's a goodie one, but make sure you're getting the one with the cheese, honey.
No, the cheddar, beef and cheddar. No, I just want one.
Okay.
And then what do you want, Wendy?
I think I'll do their chicken tenders. Are they like strips?
You got chicken tenders?
Yes, we have a 3-piece and a 5.
A 3-piece. And anything dipping with that?
We have barbecue, honey mustard, ranch, buffalo. We have Bronxberry.
Honey mustard sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
And then did you say that you wanted waffle fries or?
Are they curly fries? Waffle fries? What are they? Curly fries? Yeah.
We do have curly fries or sweet potato waffle fries or potato cake.
No, let's do curly fries. Let's get like a large because why not?
Okay, anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, 12.14.
All right. Deep fried turkey. What? Deep fried turkey. And here's me with my mask. See? You got to be safe. Don't not be safe.
Right there in the shade.
Okay. Mike Easter Street, we're going to try Arby's. All right. We got the Arby's. The first thing I'm going to try is this curly fry. Look at, what the, is that 1 or 2? My goodness, what the, oh, okay. I'm going to be honest with you on that one. That's like, it looks a little overcooked to me. And it looks like this is the oil they use since the last time I was at Arby's 25 years ago. So they should change that oil. All right. But he went back for a second one, so maybe it's me, right? My wife is chowing down on what are those, baby? Chicken nuggets, like. Okay. All right. So far, the fries are not my friend, but this is all about the cheddar melt. There's the cheddar melt for you. Now this looks like it's been sitting around in a limp place. I don't want to compare that to anything. Let's go for it. All right. I'm giving it a good chew. It doesn't taste that bad, but I mean, if you look at it, it doesn't look like what you see on their website or on TV. It looks like someone just tossed something in there. Now they cut the roast beef really thin. Look at that. It's very thin. There you go. There's Arby's. I give this a 5. It's not a place I'd come back again. And again, a lot of my reviews are based on the franchise. Some franchises could be over the top. Some can't be that great. These guys are very nice, but I say baba on that one. And you say, why, Mike? The roast beef isn't robust. And again, look at a little flimsy. This bread. That's it. For more videos, I'll just check out Live Life 365. More Mike Eats the Street. I got dozens of them. Watch them. Watch my playlist. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
How do I picture pickle? The video's on, baby. Just keep talking. She's just talking. Yeah, you can buy if you want. Yeah. Guess what my wife's gonna buy, and I'm gonna tell you, I haven't been to Arby's. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even think I've ever been to Arby's. Maybe once or twice back when I was kooky. Tell us about your experience with Arby's.
I used to eat ham and Swiss 20 years ago.
And
It was good.
how's your colon?
Not speaking to me.
Okay, see, so that's where we're at. Okay. I'm not kidding. Why do these things happen? Why? Maybe my wife can say, what's your experience like, baby? Make you say.
Chicken tenders have more breading than chicken in them.
Another 5. 5?
Fries might be a little overdone, but
That's
they
what
kind
I
of have like a spicy coating to them. So you just have to be prepared.
Was there
for that.
spicy? Let me check that. Okay, let me see. Look at this. Look at this. What the fuck? Oh, I can't say that on the air. All right. Let me set. All right. Baba. Now you know why we don't go to Arby's. Okay.